give him a round of applause.
Ayan. So, yung mga naging turning points nung pagiging fire officer ng police, unang-una, yung training namin, yung rigid training na naranasan ko for 2 months. 2 months yun na walang uwian sa family, and ang kasama lang namin is yung mga tactics namin. No? Kasi yun yung procedure kung saan gagawin ka ng yung mindset ko as a civilian papunta sa uniform personnel. Yung discipline, yung pagpapalakas, so lahat yun is napakahirap. And dun pa mas tumibay yung faith ko kay Lord. Kasi sa isang araw, sa training namin, siguro natutulog na kami ng 3 hours to 4 hours. 4 hours lang din na yun. Tapos ang almusal namin, tanghalian namin, and ang hapunan namin
is hereby given to internal name in recognition of his faith-filled message and Christ-centered guidance shared as a guest speaker at the Youth Worship Assembly team, Walking Your Career Path with Faith Not Fear, given is 22nd of June 2025. Signed by Alberto G. Lopoy Jr., our President in Youth Ministry, and Rafael E. Shokan, the pastor of Kaykay Emmanuel Church. So this certificate of appreciation is hereby given to Alberto G. Lopoy Jr. Same content, this certificate of appreciation is hereby given to John Arvin Sario.
Okay, next! Ayan, 5 words mo yan. Pwede, pwede. Moses crossed the Red Sea. Moses crossed the Red Sea. Okay, next. Kyle. Son of God. Son of God. Next. Eloisa. God sent His Son. Okay, God sent His Son. Very good. Ang galing talaga ng mga students ngayon na. Kaya, next. Other hand. Sige. Noah built the kaya
Magsimula, gusto ko energize kayong lahat. Kaya naman, tatanggap ko si Teacher John para sa icebreaker.
And so good evening po grabe yung energy level ko. Kaya dapat yung energy level nyo mas mataas pa sa energy level ng energy ninyo. Ayan, ganyan. So, batiin mo muna na isang napakagandang gabi ang inyong mga katabi. Okay? Ayan. Fist bump nyo, fist bump. Ayan. Fist bump. Okay. Lahat ba nakatingin sa screen? Ayan, tingin sa screen. Hindi sa akin, tingin sa screen. Ayan.
We can move forward confidently because we know that we are with Him. Amen? Amen. Okay. Also, we know and I know na as young people, we have a lot of questions about our future, like what career we're going to choose, where to go, and how to succeed. But God calls us not to be anxious. He calls us to trust in Him. That's why today, let's open our hearts, our mind, and our ears, and let God lead our steps. And let's remind each other now with faith, fear has no power over our future. Once again, welcome.